This is John Cavill, garden designer in deepest Lincolnshire. For the last few days there's been a baby rabbit, wild rabbit, asleep in various things all over the garden, and I've just found him inside the polytunnel in some lavender, so I'm going to try my best to video him quite closely because he does snore. Let's see if I can get a bit closer. Oh, that didn't go to plan. Okay, I've got no idea where the rabbit's gone. That was a bit quick, and I've certainly lost him. It's maybe like the rest of us, we don't mind being photographed, but we don't like being videoed. Sorry about that. If I find him again, I'll try that again.